2. Activities development. Here, your students work on the activities they planned. It is very important that they are the ones who do the activities and answer related questions about how they want to solve their doubts. Gradually, your students are going to feel empowered by their own learning. They start working on their own as soon as they get to school, and, with time, you become a coach in their learning process instead of presenter of content. Follow these steps to develop activities. 1. Allow students to decide how to get started, based on their planning. Help them divide into groups when they need to share resources, such as a computer or a textbook. 2. Ask them, how have you progressed in the development of your tasks? What have you learned? What questions do you have? Is there something you need help with? 3. Encourage them to find other related resources, answer their own questions, or develop an activity related to what they are learning. Example, you can do these math exercises instead of these others. At first, your students will be afraid of learning on their own and seek your permanent support. Help them overcome their fears by acknowledging their strengths and showing them that making mistakes is natural when we are learning. Practice leads to perfection. 3. Closing. Here, you and your students assess how much they did and learned, reflecting on what they did well and what they can improve. It may be a difficult task at first, but gradually, you will see amazing results. To do this, use the following strategy. 1. Assess, with your students, if they managed to finish the activities. You can use these questions: what did you do well? What did you learn? What new questions do you have? Did you do more or less than expected? Why? 2. Reflect on the factors that improve the way your students work with the following questions. What can we do differently tomorrow? What will help us learn better tomorrow? 3. Let your students express their feelings about the work developed. How do you feel about what you did today? What did you do right? What would you improve? Apply these strategies, and you will see your students learn more independently in just a few weeks.